Hello friends! Once again, this is RJ, and I'm back for another episode of Do-It-Yourself Car Improvement. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I was able to install a tweeter speaker on my vehicle. So let's go! So what I have here is a JBL tweeter speaker, JBL Club 3412T. It has an edge-driven dome design that enhances sound dispersion and delivers a natural sounding highs. It is equipped with a super compact inline crossovers sending an appropriate frequencies to the speaker. This tweeter speaker definitely brings strong dimension to our dash. And no matter how complicated our car's interior, JBL Club 3412T gives us plenty of options for flush or surface mounting. So included in the box are tweeters with 6 inches speaker leads. Inline crossovers with attached speaker wires. Flush mount housings, threaded flush mount adapters, plastic locking nuts, surface mount housings, Starfish mounts, flathead screws, washers, and nuts. An installation manual is also included for mounting assembly. So first, dismantle the front door panel. This is to access the mid-range speaker wiring to where we will connect or tap in parallel the inline crossover of the tweeter speaker. For the installation location, I've selected the side mirror adjustment cover as the place for mounting. This is also the most common mounting selection for tweeter speakers. Now, I'll try to assemble the mounting hardwares based on the selected area. You can refer to the instruction manual on how to use other hardwares and for more mounting options. So just follow what I'll do if you have the same installation with mine. I'm gonna use the Starfish mount as a design for my installation and also to cover the section where I cut the unnecessary footing. Now, I'm gonna mount the tweeter speaker to the triangular cover. To do this, I need to drill holes onto it to fasten and use the provided screws to hold in place the tweeter speaker. For the wiring connections, first is to connect the tweeter speaker to the crossover. The terminals are of different size and also of different color. The larger one in red is the positive, and the other in black red is negative. Now, we'll connect the tweeter speaker alongside the existing mid-range speaker. So just top the wires of the crossover in parallel with the mid-range speaker. And that's it. As much as I'd wanted to show how amazing the sound created by this JBL tweeter speaker, but because of copyright issues, I cannot do so. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you once again.